Hey guys, Josh at Apex Overland. I'm going to show you how to install ditch light brackets on a 2023 Sequoia.
Going to start off with the passenger side here. You're going to need a 12 millimeter. I'm using a combination wrench for this. Start by taking the forwardmost bolt off first. In this video, we're using the Cali raised ditch light bracket. Simply swing it in. And start the bolt just hand tight. And then undo the next bolt. By doing this, it keeps the hood from wanting to fly off on you. Come in. Get your next bolt out, simply rotate your bracket over. Put the bolt back in, and then tighten them both up. Notice when you close the hood, this happens on about every Toyota. The ditch light bracket will hit the little piece of plastic down in here. All we have to do is trim that up. Let me show you how to do that. So we have shut the hood a few times, and you can see it's made a little indent right there. See that little crease? And then this side, it's got nothing. But we've just covered this fender right here, a little bit of tape just in case the knife slips. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna trim just this little bitty flap right here off. So that is it. This little piece right here sat in there just like that. Trim that little bit off, and then your hood won't have a big gap from the ditch light bracket wedging on the little rubber seal there. So the driver's side here, as you close the hood, see how it's hitting and it's causing this to move down. So kind of eyeball it if you would. You can see we need to trim just a top little edge right here to keep this from pushing that down. All right, so mount whatever brand light you prefer, and then for like 5th gen foreigners and any real Toyota until now, we've always ran the wire on this side of the hinge on the inside. For these new Sequoias, I think it's better to run it towards the fender side. It's less likely for it to get pinched, and to run it down, you have your whole fender trim assembly here. Just grab this little corner right here, give it a little pull. It'll unsnap right there. Run your wire. Come underneath that. Simply push it back in. And there you go. And then your wire will not get pinched as the hood closes. All right, same thing, but on the passenger side this time. Pull up your wire, grab this right here, pull it, take your wire in, around, push back, there you go, and your wire will not get pinched.